Chapter 4 Stress, Syllable stress, Word stress, Variation of word stress. A. Understanding syllable stress. Syllable stress refers to the impulse placed on the certain syllables within words. Sembiring and Ginting 2016. In English, every word with more than one syllable has a specific pattern of stresses, strong and unstressed. Weak syllables is crucial for clear communication and effective pronunciation. It not only helps in speaking fluently, but also in understanding spoken English. A stress pattern can influence the meaning and rhythm of words. Syllable stress play a significant role in the English language because it affects the way words are pronounced, understood, and differentiated from one another. For non-native speaker, mastering syllable stress is an important step toward achieving a more natural and intelligible accent. 1. What is syllable stress? Word stress in English play a key role in discussing between different types of words, such as verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Additionally, stress patterns often indicate the grammatical function of words, making it essential aspect of both spoken and written communication. 1. What is word stress? Word stress is the extra force or emphasis placed on one syllable in a word. In stressed syllables, the vowel sound is longer, louder, and pronounced at a slightly higher pitch than in the other syllables. The stressed syllables carries the beat of the word and helps distinguishes it from other syllables. For example, in the word desert, noun meaning a dry region, in the first syllables is stressed this earth. In the word desert, for meaning to abandon, the stress shifts to the second syllables desert. By emphasizing different syllables, the meaning of the words changes, illustrating how crucial word stress is for clear communication. 2. Why word stress is important? Clarity and understanding. Correct word stress help listeners understand the intended meaning of a word. Misplacing stress can lead to confusion or misinterpretation. For example, stressing the wrong syllable in words like conduct or object can change the meaning from a noun to a verb. Rhythm and natural speech. Proper word stress contributes to the natural rhythm of spoken English. Native speakers use stress to highlight important information within a sentence, making speech more dynamic and easier to follow. Intelligibility. Incorrect stress pattern can make speech sound unnatural and difficult to understand. Non-native speakers who misplace word stress may be misunderstood, even if their grammar and vocabulary are correct. 3. Word stress pattern in English. Although English word stress can seem unpredictable, there are some common patterns that learners can follow to develop their pronunciation skill. Two-syllable words. For most two-syllable nouns and adjectives, the stress is typically placed on the first syllables. Nouns: table, morning; adjective: clever, heavy. B. Understanding word stress. Word stress refers to the emphasis placed on the syllables within making it stand out compared to the others. Aulia 2018. In English, word stress is essential for clear pronunciation, rhythm, and meaning. It affects how words are understood and can even change the meaning of words depending on which syllables in stress. Learning to recognize and apply the correct word stress pattern is critical for non-native speakers to achieve accurate pronunciation and improve their overall communication skill, as they play a crucial role in how words are understood and interpreted conversation. 1. Factor influencing word stress variation. Several factors and influence word stress pattern in English tense. This include word length. The number of syllables in a word can affect where the stress falls. Word function. Stress can shift depending on whether a word is used as a noun, verb, adjective, or another part of speech. Affixes and suffixes. Words that contain prefixes and suffixes may follow specific stress pattern with the addition of certain affixes causing the stress to shift from its base. Words borrowed from the language often retain their original stress patterns, which may differ from typical English stress rules. 2. Stress shift in nouns and verbs. Have a strong clap on the first syllables, practice with common words. Begin with words you see frequently and focus on getting the stress pattern correct. Word stress is a crucial element of English pronunciation, inflection, both meaning and clarity in communication. By learning and applying the correct word stress pattern, non-native speakers can improve their ability to be understood and engage more naturally in conversation. C. First, variation in word stress in English. Word stress in English can vary based on several factors, including word type, syllable structure, and even dialect and or accent, while many English words follow regular stress patterns. Some accessibility variation then can challenge both native and non-native speakers. Effect on the original stress of the base word. Stress moving suffixes. Suffixes like easy, tion, and sion often shift the stress to the syllables directly before the suffix. For example, economic from economy, information from informs, decision from decide. Non-stress moving suffixes. Suffixes like le, nes, and min usually do not change the original stress pattern of the base word. For example, quickly from quiet, happiness from happy, improvement from improve. These rules help speakers anticipate where the stress will fall when forming new words, especially when dealing with more complex vocabulary. 5. Stress in lower and foreign influence. English borrows a significant number of words from other languages, and these low words often retain the original stress pattern from their source language, leading to further variation in word stress. For example, finds French origin. Stress on the second syllable. Cave, French origin. Stress on the second syllables. Belle, French origin. Stress on the second syllable. In some cases, low words may eventually convert to more typical English stress pattern. while indirectly as to complexity of English word stress, but also reflects the richness of the language. 6. Dialectal variation in word stress. Dialectal variation in word stress. Word stress can also vary depending on regional dialect or accent. British English and American English, for example, sometimes stress the same word differently. For instance, in British English, the word at first meant is stressed on the second syllable. Advertisement in American English it is often stressed on the first syllable advertisement. Such difference may not significantly affect conversation between speakers of different dialects, but they do contribute to the diversity of English pronunciation around the world. 7. The impact of word stress on comprehension. Word stress play a vital role in the clarity and comprehension of spoken English. Misplacing stress in a word lead misunderstanding or confusion, especially in words that change meaning based on stress patterns. For non-native speakers, mastering word stress is key to sounding more natural and improving their intelligibility and conversation. 8. Strategies for mastering word stress variations. To improve their understanding of words stress variation, learners can use the following strategies. Practice with commonly stressed words. Familiarize yourself with common English words that have shifting stress patterns, especially nouns and verbs with the same spelling. Listen to native speakers. Listening to a variety of native speakers from different English speaking